Welcome. Our residents are whole people with the same rights and feelings they've always had, including the very human need for closeness, affection, and intimacy. These needs don't disappear with age, and they're nothing to be embarrassed about. This class is about honoring those rights with respect and dignity, while always keeping every resident safe and protected. Moving into our community doesn't take away a resident's rights. They keep the right to dignity and privacy, to make their own choices about their own lives, to have visitors, and to form friendships and relationships. A resident is an adult, not a child to be managed. These rights belong entirely to them, and respecting them is a core part of good, person-centered care. The need for connection and intimacy doesn't end with age. Older adults remain romantic and sexual beings, and that is completely healthy and normal, not something for us to be embarrassed by, to discourage, or to judge. Our own discomfort is never a reason to deny a resident this part of life. A resident's desire for closeness deserves the very same respect as any other part of who they are. Respect goes a long way. Always knock before entering a resident's room and wait for an answer. If residents wish for private time together, give it to them and honor a closed door. Never gossip about, tease, or shame a resident for their relationships or feelings. Rights always come with a vital safeguard: consent. Any intimacy must be willing and welcome by everyone involved, every time. The key question is whether each resident has the capacity to consent, to understand and freely agree. Capacity isn't fixed, it can change from day to day, and cognitive conditions like dementia make this especially important to consider carefully and compassionately. If you're ever unsure that a resident can truly consent, or if a situation looks unwanted, one-sided, or distressing, don't ignore it and don't judge it. Gently ensure everyone is safe and report your concern to the nurse or supervisor right away so capacity and safety can be properly assessed. Sometimes a resident may behave sexually toward you or others, sometimes due to confusion. Stay calm and professional. Don't shame, scold, or react with disgust. Kindly set a clear boundary, gently redirect, make sure everyone is safe, and tell your supervisor. Understanding, not punishment, is our approach. Honor your residents as the full people they are. Respect their rights and privacy. Never judge or shame. Always protect those who can't protect themselves, and report any concern about consent or safety. Dignity, respect, and safety, together. This has been a Palace University training. Thank you.